Welcome back, heroes and YouTube family. This is Sub-Zero back in another video just for all of you guys. You can see we're out here with the vet. If you guys saw the last video, you saw the dyno run, the power numbers it put down, and the installations. If you guys haven't seen it, please go ahead and check out that video because we are finally going to be going to our first track day post the additions and the mods. Shout out to VIP track days. We're going to be going to Big Willow tomorrow, guys. Big Willow Springs. Gonna be going and having a great track day with a bunch of buddies. So we are taking the vet. Just did a bunch of updates to my race helmet. Got a bunch of sponsors now. So wanted to update my helmet as I go. Got the APR, got the Nitto, we got the Racing. We also got a bunch of stuff. We also got the Gran Turismo, the Corvette Racing, and the STI in the back. Corvette is going to be our time attack, global time attack vehicle that we're going to be driving in Grid Life and Time Attack and a whole bunch of different events. All right, y'all, so this is my very first drive in the car. Just getting into it, man. I'm so stoked, y'all. I am so stoked, man. Oh, man. Kushan, thank you, man. If y'all just saw that video, oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh, like, I am so hyped. I am so hyped, man. I am so hyped. I remember when I first got this car. I remember when I drove my buddy's ZL11LE with the LT4 for the first time. Got that cam. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We're here, y'all. We are here. We got in stealth mode right now because we are in some residential area and I am in California, so it's still loud even in this stealth mode, which is pretty insane. That is pretty damn insane, man. Oh man. The accelerator's no. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's really nothing like having a tuned car, man. Oh my gosh, like these shifts are way more crisp. Oh my god. Oh man. right, so we are pulling up. About to pull up to the scale. Oh. Pull up to the weight scale. And here we are, folks. Here we are. Gonna go ahead and get her weighed now. We're here, we parked on the scale. And let's go ahead and see.
Okay.
Hey.
So now what are we weighing? Are we just doing one weight or did you want more than one?
Words. Official.
So weighing big truck.
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
That's it.
Perfect. Have a great day.
You too.
All right, guys. So the lucky number is boom. This is what it weighs exactly, guys. 3,360 pounds. 3,360. Like I said, we did add the big wing. We added a bunch of parts to it, but we were able to get her under 3,400, which is a big win, guys. Big win. 3,360. 3,360. Like I said, we added a bunch of stuff. We got the safety components in there. We got the wing. We got a bunch of Aero on the car. We were able to shed some weight on the wheels and tires and just some OEM parts, especially the exhaust and some other things. We were able to get it, guys. We finally got the weight. So now it's 3,360. I think in the future, we're going to go ahead and take off the radiator. So we can also add or lose an additional 100. But here it is, y'all. Here it is. Boom. 3,360 pounds. It is now officially lighter than my Subaru STI by a good, I think it's lighter, yeah. So we got her officially weighed. We are now officially ready to go to the track and officially ready to get going.